Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Welcome back, guys.
Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And support the thing, share Carla's Kitchen CC.
So this is the saltfish I have here soaking, and I'm gonna boil the saltfish to get out some of the salts from it. This is 2 cans of ackee, and I have a pack of coconut milk over there. I have pumpkin, I have bell pepper, I have carrot, and I have spring onion. And I'm also going to be adding red onion to this recipe as well. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I chopped up my bell peppers and my onions and my pumpkin and carrot, and the saltfish is boiling over there. It is finished boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove, and I'm going to rinse the saltfish off, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, here's the saltfish. I went ahead and I pulled the saltfish apart, so we're going to get into the cooking. Here I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil to my pot. I'm adding garlic, chopped garlic, and I'm using 2 pegs of garlic. Adding my onion, my spring onion, now I will be adding my chopped bell pepper, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the carrot along with the pumpkin. Now I'm going to be adding the saltfish. And I'm also going to be adding some ground ginger, just a little pinch. A pinch of black pepper, pinch of lemon pepper. I'm going to give that a little stir. It smells so good, looks colorful and nice. Alright. Now I'm adding my coconut milk. Okay, I'm going to be adding a pinch of Maggi seasoner. Alright. And I have some seafood seasoning here. I'm going to add a pinch. Thyme. And I'm going to be adding my pimento spice. So I'm adding about 5 pimento spice and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now I am going to give it a little stir, and I'm going to let the coconut milk boil for 2 to 3 minutes before I add my rice. Okay, now it's time to add the rice, and I'm using 2 cups of rice because I'm not making a whole lot. So I'm adding the rice to the pot. I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to allow this to cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so let's check this ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. Smells so good, looks so delicious. Allow this to simmer down properly. Looks lovely. And it smells good. Guys, I will be transferring this rice into a wider pot so you can get a proper view of this ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. Okay? Here you have it, guys. Look at this delicious pot of ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. Yes, this is Jamaican national ackee and saltfish seasoned rice, right in Carla's Kitchen CC. This is flavorful, guys. It is very delicious, tasty. Try it out. It is very simple, easy to follow, easy steps to follow. Guys, make this at home. Put it on your table, make it for your friends and your families. Guys, remember to thumbs up the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share the video out, tell a friend to tell another friend about Carla's Kitchen CC. If you're new here, please subscribe. Touch the post notification bell to all so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you all. To my new subscribers, I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thanks for subscribing. Guys, please remember to check out my second channel, HowtoMake. Like and share, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Be good, be kind, put God first in everything that you're doing. Thank you again, guys. Blessings to each and everyone. Big up yourselves, and I'm gonna see you again in another video.